Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2015 VW Polo SE. This car comes with a 1.2 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, returning up to 60 miles to the gallon. An insurance group of 15, and this car's covered just over 37,000 miles and comes with full service history. As we have a look inside, you see you've got the nice clean interior. So the seats are in great condition, really comfy and supportive too. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. And then a few other features like I mentioned. The car's got air conditioning, as well as cruise control there on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. Automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card, you have your electric mirror and 4 window controls. For a small hatchback, you've got a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have a cup holder there in the centre, as well as pockets in the back of the front seats too. And as you open the tailgate, you've got a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. You also have the adjustable floor, which is at its lowest point at the moment, but you can raise that if you wish. And below that, if I just show you, you've also got a full size spare wheel, so that's great to see these days. Externally, the car comes with front and rear parking sensors and the 15-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you would like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.